And these old values of -1, I'm going to make those no data. And my values of 0 are going to be no data. And my values of 1 are still going to be 1.
How did you get -1 as a value?
It's a default thing that pops in there. It's nothing in particular there. All right, so I'm going to go down here, look at my folder location, make sure it's going to be, and I'm going to call this Final Hab. Save it. And I'm going to click OK. And it's going to do this reclassification. And I can uncheck that box, and now I have literally, that's the flying squirrel habitat, okay? And there are my counties. Now if you think back to my crazy off-the-wall question, where the National Geographic's going to do this, I need to know how much of this is in each of these whatever counties. And so the way I'm going to figure that out is using zonal statistics, which I don't remember exactly where it's at, so I'm going to look at a couple of spots here. I think it's probably in spatial statistics or in spatial analyst. Yeah, it's in spatial analyst. Zonal, open that up, and I got zonal statistics and zonal statistics as a table. Well, I'm going to want to make this as a table, so I'm just going to save myself the hassle. I'm going to run that tool. And what do I put into this? Input, feature, or raster. Now, this is a tool I don't use real often, so I'm going to click in the box and see what it tells me over here. This is the data set that defines the zones. So which one do you think I want here? I want my county boundaries. So I'll put my counties in there. And then which field am I going to work off of? The names. That way I know which county has what. And then for my raster, final habitat. And what statistics do I want? I just want the sum. I want to know how many cells are in each one. So click OK. And
the sum is
it's
the
going to tell me how many pixels of those dirty green cells are in each county.
Okay.
And then I can multiply that by 30 and multiply that by 30, and that's how many square meters of habitat there is in each county.
Okay.
All right, here's my table. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to come over here to my count, or my sum, it should be the same, and I'm going to sort descending, and the National Geo Channel wanted to know what 3 counties had the most habitat: Pocahontas, Randolph, and Greenbrier, because it has the largest sum. Now if I want to know how many that actually is, I've got to figure out where my calculator's at on this computer.